Dear students of Standard 8, welcome to the class of English First Paper. Today we are going to learn Lesson 2 from Unit 1. By seeing this photo, you can get the idea of the topic. Yes, today's topic's name is Nokshi Katha. Katha, this word is very familiar to you. Nokshi Katha means the katha which is embroidered with noksha. This type of kathas you can see at your home also. So let's see the text first. Here is the text with the word meaning. The word meanings are embroidered, that means decorated with stitch, artistic, skillfully and attractively made or creative, pattern, a particular way in which something is done, craft, an activity involving skill in making things by hand, indigenous, local or native, quilt means comforter, coverlet or katha, commercially for the purpose of business, handicraft, handiwork. In the text it is written that Nokshikatha is a kind of embroidered quilt. The name was taken from the Bengali word Noksha, which means artistic pattern. The words meaning are given below. It is a kind of traditional craft and is said to be indigenous to Bangladesh and West Bengal in India. That means Nokshikatha is a kind of embroidered quilt and it is found in Bangladesh and some parts of India, especially West Bengal, Assam and Tripura. The art has been practiced in rural Bengal for centuries. That means from ancient time people are making these kathas. The name Nokshikatha became popular after the poet Josimuddin's poem Nokshikathar Math was published in 1929. We'll learn about this poem in the next slide. Traditional kathas are made for family use. Actually, this type of kathas are made by the women of our country during their leisure period, and these are used to make only for their family use. What are the things used to make this Nokshikatha? Look, old or new cloth and different types of colorful threads are used to make these quilts. And one type of stitch is used here, that is called running stitch or katha stitch. Mymensingh, Jamalpur, Rajshahi, Faridpur, Bogra and Jashore are most famous for this craft. Now it is produced commercially. That means people make it and sell it in the market. You can find them in many expensive handicraft shops in cities. That means in the boutique shops of cities you can find them. The quilts are now in great demand because of the colorful patterns and designs embroidered on them. Nowadays, this quilt has great demand not only in our country but also in abroad. There are many NGOs and non-government organizations. They export this Nukshikatha in abroad. Nokshikathar Math. This is a poem written by Josimuddin. This poem, Nokshikathar Math, relates the story of Rupai and Shaju. This peasant couple used to love each other much. One day, Rupai, that means the male, had to leave the village for some unavoidable reasons. The woman, Shaju, waited for her husband, but Rupai did not come back. Shaju became lonely, and then she started making Nokshikatha. There she typed her sorrows and tragedies of her life. That means through the stitches, she expresses the sorrows of her life. One day, Shaju died, but before death, she requested her mother to put the Nokshikatha on her grave, and her mother did so. From then, the place or the field where Shaju was buried that became popular by the name Nokshikathar Math. After some days, the villagers found a dead body of a male person near Shaju's grave with the Nokshikatha. The villagers identified him as Rupai. So, all this about the poem Nokshikathar Math. This poem earned fame both home and abroad. If you get time, you can read this. In your textbook, you will get a fill in the blanks with clues. Let's try to solve it. Noksha means artistic patterns. The name was taken from a Bengali word Noksha. The art has been practiced in rural Bengal for years. Nokshi kathas are now sold in fashion shops. Nokshi kathas are in great demand because of their colorful patterns and designs. Nokshi kathas are a kind of quilt. The answer is like this. Dear students, you have to read the text thoroughly as you have to answer MCQ, short questions and fill in the blanks from this text. Here is also textual paragraph Nokshikatha. You must memorize it. In the next class, we will solve model questions. So by this time, try to arrange the advanced learner book. Till then, goodbye.